Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to set up the chat widget automation to manage your incoming messages from your leads even when you're not available. Now if you're using the chat widget or the live chat on your website or on your funnels, then you would know how important it is to respond quickly to your leads, right? But what if you're not available? Well, in that case, you can automate the responses to reply to the messages instantly to make sure that you never miss any lead or you never miss any opportunity. And to do that, we will go to automations. And here we will create a workflow from scratch. And the name of this workflow can be chat widget automation. Now, first of all, we will add a trigger for our leads message on the chat widget. And the trigger will be customer replied. Then in filters, we will select reply channel is chat widget, and then we will save this trigger. Then we will assign this chat widget message to a user. So we will add an action that will be assigned to user. Then here we will select the user to whom we want to assign this chat widget message and then save this action. Then we will send ourselves a notification about the lead. So we will add an action that will be send internal notification. Then notification can be an SMS or it can be an email. For now, I will select SMS notification so that we can receive the notification instantly on our mobile app. And here we will add the title that can be custom value for contact name, message through chat widget. In the message, we can type in, "Hi, there is a message. Through chat widget from." Here we will add the custom value for contact name. Then we will add contact email. And then we will add contact phone number. Perfect. Next, in redirect page, we will add conversation. So now whenever you will click on SMS notification or email notification that you will set here, it will take you straight to the conversation page because we have selected the conversation in the redirect page so that you will be able to see the whole conversation from the lead. And the user type will be assigned user. And then we will save this section. Now we have assigned the chat widget message to a user and we have sent an internal notification to the assigned user. Next, we will send a message or SMS to our lead who sent us the message on the chat widget. But before that, we will add a wait action. Otherwise, it might look like that this message is automated. So we will add an action that will be wait. And in the wait for, we will select time delay. And in wait, we will add 1 minute. And then save this action. So we will add another action that will be send SMS. Then in message you can type in hi, then add contact name. Just received your message. We are messaging you here. To know if you want to know something urgently. We are here to help. So this way conversation will be moved from the website chat widget to the SMS or email, which is basically a very smart move because the lead cannot be on your website or on your funnels all the time, right? But they can respond to your SMS or email instantly. So it's really a smart move to move the conversation from the website or the funnel to SMS or email. Next, you can also send the email to your lead if you want. And another thing that you can do is you can add the lead in the pipeline. For that, we will add an action that will be create or update opportunity. And in pipeline, we will select the pipeline where we want to add this lead. Then we will select the pipeline stage where the lead will be added. And the opportunity name will be contact full name. Next, the status will be open. And then save the section. So this is how you can set up the chat widget automation. I hope this video will be helpful for you. You can also customize this workflow based on your business. But if you face any trouble in this process, you can ask me in the comment section. For now, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.